everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafting.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. If you are new here, thank you for popping in. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and help this channel grow. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Just bringing you another men's gift idea. Another one that has turned out super cute, y'all. I'm really liking this. Even my bow is banging on this one. But it ain't fancy, but it is banging for a dad. Alright, so I'm going to flip you around and let you see this one. Y'all give me 1 second. So this is another one of the trucks. And this one is geared more towards some relaxation things. And just dad's comfort, so to speak. Alright, so again, what we did was we took the trucks and we painted them. And then I used my Cricut to embellish these trucks. I bought some stickers for these trucks, some Father's Day stickers. Not just for the trucks, but for some of my baskets too. And y'all, I can't find them stickers anywhere. And I never took them out of the bag. So I know they were here in the bag. But I don't know who moved the bag. Just know the bag has been moved somewhere. So I'm thinking it must be in the house. Anyway, I've been using my Cricut to make some just little mini decals for these trucks. To dress them up a little bit. I've got that one done. And then I have another one that I did, which I will show to you. Either in a concept or just set aside, but it is another, this one is a silver truck. Alright, and it's really cute. Alright, so I used this blue truck for this concept. Alright, and what I put in here, of course, we have our quilted slipper boots. These are a gray pair, and I'm using it as the base for the gift. And again, this is a large, which is a 9 to 10. As you can see, that middle dot there is the one that is blackened out. Alright. Alright, so after I painted the truck, we glued it, of course, to this wood base here and then to the box of slippers. Alright, and then I decided I was going to include the smartwatch in this box. So we have our smartwatch. These watches came from Temu. And I have several more of those that I'll be using in some concepts. Alright, and I don't know if you saw the video of one of my hauls, but these are shower steamers. Alright, and it's in the video I tell you, you can use the whole box or you can break it up, because they are individually wrapped. Alright, and the wrapping on these is very nice. Alright, but I decided to use the whole box for this. Alright, so we have the smartwatch, our shower steamers. Alright, and then our smartwatch and shower steamers are sitting on top of one of the Starry Night LED lamps. Our LED lights. Alright, that illuminates the entire ceiling. Alright, and then I put one of our vanilla candles in here, and this is one of the big vanilla candles that I got on sale at Dollar General. It is vanilla. And then on this side, of course, we have some men's perfume. And then in the back here, we have our men's underwear. Alright, and these are the extra large for the men. And if you remember, I had the plain colored ones that didn't have any kind of designs on them. Those are my large. Alright, and then these that have the designs and different little pictures on them, or different little sayings on them, these are the extra large. Alright. And then I didn't put anything on the back of our gift. Alright, but you see this little sticker here? A little piece of the wood peeled up on this. Almost like a little, it looks kind of cardboardish, but it peeled the paint up is what it did. Alright, and instead of having that uneven surface of painting that back, because when you put the paint back on there, you're going to have an indentation. And I didn't want that, so instead I just covered it with a thank you sticker on this side of the truck. Alright, so we have our dad on this side, and then a little thank you sticker on the other side. I won't be doing both sides of every single truck with the same saying, but some of them I will. Alright, this particular one I decided to just put dad on one side. Alright, and this is what this concept is looking like. Alright, and then there's my banging bow, as you can see. Alright, and this is a very, very cute Father's Day bow for this basket. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for all of your support. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting with Katrina.